Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So all you need to do right now is open the upper bar twice and find here the screen recorder. Let's tap it, tap below twice, tap OK. As you can see, you can start and stop recording by knocking the screen twice with two knuckles, or you can also use the shortcut in the notification panel or press and hold power key and volume up key until the device stops recording. So now let me tap start recording and the device is recording. Here we've got the information about this. So now you can stop it by using the upper bar and by tapping the following options right here: record screen, or you can also knock with two knuckles, or you can press power key and volume up. So let me press power key and volume up to stop recording. Recording saved to gallery, so now you can choose gallery, choose videos, and now you can watch your records. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.